I, I would say even I'm staunchly apolitical, maybe not anti. I have my strong opinions and views and I vote, but I think I'm a son of this anti-ideological generation as my parents, and the grandson of this the most ideological generation of of Bundist, communist, Zionist, or I don't know, right and left wing Polish Catholics. So I am very much kind of. I think that's a big privilege of liberal society of Poland as a liberal democratic society, that you can be apolitical and really take a step back and look from far away on all these matters. And I think of about all these great writers, culture activists, and politicians who ideologized one of the languages or ideologized some elements of the Jewish culture. All this Kulturkampf, culture war between Hebrew and Yiddish, and Polish Jewish culture, Russian Jewish culture, and the fact that for example, when we look at my field, interwar Jewish history, that everyone lived in this beautiful and nice multicultural reality, like Honesh Meruk wrote it, but he did not wrote it, and this is not so much research. That the fact was that all of these people living in these different sectors, they were not accepting this reality. They were against this reality. They was fighting against Yiddishists, were fighting against Hebraism, and etc., etc. So I guess we should concentrate on studying all of these spheres as equals and in constant connection and interaction with each other. I think that the best Yiddish studies are the studies who so much appreciate the same things that were written on a topic in Polish and in Hebrew, and vice versa. So I think I think that we shouldn't, we should take consequences for the experience of the former generations, and not ideologize our work.